of a hero.
It's moist. I hope it gets better soon. Hopefully we can get out of the rain. Can you see the water flying in off the tire? That is inconvenient. Hey guys, so we thought we outrun the rain for a little bit, so we stopped to eat and we come out. Did not outrun the rain. But anyways, we're gonna try again.
Don't turn that way! That's so cool.
Well, I guess I shouldn't have complained, guys. It got way worse. There's been shooting in everywhere. It's so bad. It's terrible. It's really wet. Hey guys, so fuel pump died, so we also don't have a cell phone reception, so we gotta walk down the friggin' highway in the rain. Alicia's mad. You want to switch sides so we're not walking against the oncoming? It's off the road.
Like I meant back in the hole.
So guys, we're in Reedsport now. Now it's dark. We're sitting here soaking ass wet, freezing our balls off outside of True Value or something, waiting for the kid to show up with my truck and trailer. Should be any time now. But yeah, so this kind of furthers my hatred of EFI. The Boogerhook's definitely getting the carbureted turbo motor after that. So that's the nail in the coffin for that. We're gonna take that EFI, that tune port stuff, take that whole motor, everything, put it right in the Caprice, make it a good driver again. I miss having a normal car I can drive back and forth that's still cool, so that's what I'm gonna do. We gotta get that thing home though, so as soon as she gets here we'll get it loaded up. Anyways, we'll get it home. I got the Caprice in the shop, so I'll just I don't know, maybe tomorrow, maybe tonight. What? What's funny? I'm still looking at you. I'm putting that in the video.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Anyways, so we'll start pulling the motor out tomorrow probably. I've had enough of today, I think. But yeah, tomorrow we'll get that pulled out. So I'll see you in the morning probably. Hey guys, Chevy here again. So it's the next day. Got the car home on the trailer. And I had the factory fuel tank out of the first Boogerhook car. It still had a pump in it. So, came home, pulled the pump out of that, got the sock. So when I pulled this out yesterday, I saw that the sock had fallen off the bottom of the pump in the tank. So that's what happened, just sucked up a chunk of junk and just killed the pump. So gonna go ahead and still got it tore apart. I'll change the pump and we'll see how that goes. Should be magic fix for it. Okay guys, I got this thing out, so I'm gonna take this pump off, and this one has a different plug-in, so I went and jacked the plug-in off of that other sending unit. So I'll have to butt connector it in here and get her mounted up and drop it back in. Okay, I forgot to fire the camera up, but I got the new pump in, the sending unit mounted back in there. Yep. Nice. Stupid fuel pumps. Fuel pump. I thought somebody put SpaghettiOs in there for a second. Yeah, little Pittsburgh special. I dropped the pump down like another ½ inch too. I realized it was about a full inch off the bottom, so now it's only about ½ inch. And the sock's on there really good, so should never have that problem again. But we'll see. God, this fuel pump's like way quieter. Way quieter. I can't even hear it. That sucks. The other one I could tell when it was gonna run out of gas. Like it runs a lot better with this pump though. Maybe that other one was weak. Doesn't stumble when it's cold and stuff. I guess we'll see. God, this thing's gonna be fast with that turbo motor in it. Woo! Fire me up.